You're watching Global News Morning.
.43 and time to check in for one last visit with Lorraine.
She's been taking us on a tour of the Kinnikinnick Bakery.
If you need a gluten-free diet, this will be a treasure chest for you. Feast your eyes on these shelves of goodies and know that in the world, this is special and this is unique. How so, Jerry?
Well, the products that you see in Kinnikinnick Fresh here are products that aren't available in gluten-free anywhere else. They're all made in our bakery, every day, fresh, so you get products that are simply not available.
So you've just done a bakery, a fresh bakery, and if you're gluten-free, finally you can shop like everybody else
That's
can.
exactly right, yes.
Okay, so tell me why 25 years ago you started making these kinds of kits for people who required a gluten-free diet.
Well, it's very difficult to make good gluten-free products, and so if you make mixes and you do it right, then people can enjoy exactly the same products, the same tasting products as you can in the conventional industry.
And then why did you go into frozen product?
The reason for that was that we don't use any preservatives in our food, so it has to be frozen in order to keep some shelf life.
So what do you see as the biggest challenges for those who do need a gluten-free diet, Jerry?
The biggest problem is to ensure that the food you get is from reputable suppliers so that you don't have cross-contamination.
And is that why you started putting things like teriyaki sauce and soy sauce and noodles into the store as well?
Well, it was a significant problem to get totally gluten-free food. A lot of hidden gluten in food. So this store takes special pains to make sure that everything is gluten-free.
So when you started this business 25 years ago, why did you get involved?
My wife was celiac, and we were looking for good food.
Had you been in the food-related business?
Before, yes, I've been in the food for many years before that, but this company started at the farmer's market, and I joined them 4 or 5 years into the game, and we started growing from there.
Did you have any idea it was going to grow to the extent that it has?
No, I don't think any of us thought that we'd be an international company with sales in Europe and South America and Central America as major markets in the U.S.
So what do you see for the next 25 years?
I hope more of the same, more innovation, more new products, and spreading or moving products into other parts of the world.
Okay, well, Lori baked a cake for you, and boy, if there's anyone to bake a cake, it would be your own executive chef. 25 years of success and based right here in Edmonton. Congratulations to Jerry and the entire team here at Kinnikinnick. In the meantime, I hope you enjoy your day, everybody.